Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hi, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And it's a Monday, and yeah. So, what do I have today? I got something that came out of the March 2020 My Crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Daikoku Chikara Udon. Okay. And I'll read you what it says about it in his near 0000000. So, it says, Chikara means strength. So this udon is sure to fill you up and give you all the strength, the energy you need. It is often filling to ensure you have a full and hearty meal. For an extra power boost, this udon also comes with a full piece of mochi. And you put everything in it, add the boiling water, and hangs out for 5 minutes. So here we are. And the water should be boiling. So, make sure you can see the water. Hot. Hot water. Noodle block. And then we've got our seasoning sachet. We will add that into and then we have the mochi, and it's kind of funny. There's a little picture. It looks like somebody whacking something with a mallet. It's hard as a rock currently. I mean, I don't know. Are you supposed to smack it and then dump it in little pieces? I'm sure you could. Oh, it's coming apart. Dagnabbit! Well, it'll be dueling pieces of mochi. Because that is just how it wants to play. So, it's kind of a weird day. Because, well, my mom is in the hospital. Yeah. She's, what? No way. She's 84. Yeah. I was about to say she's 85, but she's 84. And she was carrying a food item at my childhood home. 5 minutes. And dropped it, and then went over to pick it up, and then the rug that was on the floor slipped out from underneath her, and she slammed down right on her knee, and broke her femur, which is like, oh man, I can't imagine how much that must hurt. So my thoughts go out to you, Mom. Hopefully, yeah, she's gonna go to surgery within a couple hours, so yeah, pretty bummed. That's not cool. Not cool at all. I don't like like that. No, no, no. And what else is going on? Come on, get in there. We gotta plug in our audio accompaniment. It's beeping feverishly. Come on, there you go. And yeah, what else is going on? So, Bernie won Nevada. I just dropped our ballots off at the ballot drop-off, and there's deuce for Bernie. So that's cool. And yeah. Yeah, just kind of bummed out around here, you know. I'm like, wow, my mom, crap. I went to the doctor myself. Been having this gut pain. They said I was full of crap. Like, oh. So, been trying to forcefully remove that from my system. But I still have the gut pain, and I remember at one point, it was like, I didn't have gut pain, then I had gut pain, and then at one point I felt like I like stretched or something, and then I felt this tearing, which is like, oh God. But they said they'd call me back if I had like elevated white blood cell count or anything like that, so I'm guessing nothing tore in a way that is causing the crap to ooze anywhere inside it doesn't belong. So, but yeah, crazy stuff. As my sister would say, scary things. And, ooh, guess what? So, I pre-ordered a Galaxy S20 Ultra, and it does 8K video. So, but it only does it in 5-minute chunks. I don't know if it'll do it continuously in 5-minute chunks, which if it does, that's fine. I don't want it in like any bigger than that. But it is possible that we'll have some episodes or some top 10s done in 8K, which I have no way to view that like on a TV set. I don't have a $3,500 TV. If you do, you'll have to tell me how it looks, but yeah, that's kind of exciting. I know the editing will take for freaking ever. You know, to render 8K video, please. I usually do it in HD. 4K video is UHD. What are you doing? What are you doing, Mimi? Are you being a nut? She's being a nut, ladies and gentlemen. A cranky nut. Eat your cookie! Eat your cookie! Got her a cookie at the store. Did a bunch of running. My feet hurt. I'm broke. My feet hurt. If you know what album that is from, right on. And if you haven't heard, I got 400 pounds of noodles. And here's our udon. Mimi, I am kind of busy at the moment, but I will assist you soon. Okay, now how are we gonna do this to keep our mochi fun? We want the mochi to stay fun. That's like the main. Now she's yelling at me. You want some pizza chips? Well, you're gonna have to wait. I offered you some pizza chips. And then you You said no to the pizza chips, and now you want the pizza chips. I don't know how to respond to that. Oh. Yeah, this probably would have done better in the original bowl. There's our mochi. It looks rather lugubrious and gooey. 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 Ah, gooey. Let's give this broth a try. Smells very bonito-y. Ooh, that's good. Dare I say, that's bonito. Like Nito and bonito. Oh my god, that's good. That is a good udon. There's so often I get udon that's kind of like this, and I just can't stand it. A little bit of tempura. I'll eat this piece of mochi. So it's kind of like gooey chewy. Mmm. Alright. That is a good one. Daikoku Chikara Udon. Tasty, tasty, yummy, yummy. There's some mung bean sprouts. Don't you knock over that tray, little girl! There was a complaint, I guess. People thought there was, I don't know what they thought. I've often thought that somebody would think that people were getting murdered over here just from all the noise. And somebody was like, I was just worried because there's like a lot of yelling. It's like, probably a good portion of that's me. So I've tried to be quieter. I mean, you know, a lot of it's the small tykes. But actually, and the only yelling that occurs is because of said small tykes. Because, you know, for example, if I see Miles dragging his little sister across the floor by her hair, it's very hard not to have an instant reaction of yelling, you know? Kind of where it goes. But, you know, understandably, people need to be able to live in somewhat peace and quiet, so I'm doing my best to keep that noise down a little bit. Just a tad. Alright. Yeah, she's a loud little girl. Miles he'll shriek like there's no tomorrow. It's usually a happy sound, but most people cringe when they hear it. I do often. See, that's the tough thing here. This broth and these noodles, I want to make this look nice, but it's very hard to do. The bowl is right, but I don't know. And then I've got this. This came in a new my crate as well. This is tenkatsu. It's well, I'll show you. It's tempura with squiddy bits, and it's a nice topping for udon. So there you be. Ooh, that is aromatic. Give it a try. That's good. Anyway, I think we're going to call it good with that. I don't know what else I could add to it. I mean, I could put some chili crisp, but I'm not gonna. So let's get all comfortable here. What about? Come on. What about there? And rotate. That's right. Daikoku Chikara Udon. It's been a Ramen Raider. Enjoy yourself. Bye.